Today's guided meditation is a unique opportunity to heal those parts of you that have been damaged by mixed messages. Mixed messages cause a lot of harm, making it difficult for us to fulfill our potential. So much of the anxiety we feel and feelings of self-loathing are the result of unintended harm. Mixed messages are trauma by another name. As children, when we are told one thing but experience another, we are left uncertain and confused. We doubt ourselves and inadvertently stand in our own way. The damage done to us in our formative years, if unchecked and unchallenged, creates lifelong negative consequences. Today, we're going to make this right. Begin by focusing on your heart and imagine a warm fuzzy green light hovering in and around that area. It's gently pulsating and it creates feelings of comfort and ease. At the same time, you can see a beautiful blue light hovering in and around your stomach. This too feels comfortable and reassuring. Just visualize these two lights gently pulsating in these two areas for a little while. You feel a deep connection to the lights. There is a sense of familiarity. The green light represents nurture, comfort, and care. The blue light represents peace, healing, and contentment. The lights continue to hover in and around the heart and the stomach, and your feelings of comfort and ease deepen. The lights from both areas are gently pulsating, and you can see them slowly coming together, merging and morphing, creating an even more beautiful light, which is turquoise in color. This light is so soft and kind. It is restorative and healing, and you watch it slowly fill your whole torso. It's a warm, beautiful sensation. From there, this turquoise light gently expands into the rest of your body. Just enjoy being enveloped by this wonderful healing light as it spreads, filling your mind, body, and spirit with its nurturing comforting, powerful presence. You are now becoming aware, as you connect with this light, that there is a younger version of yourself living inside of you. A version of yourself frozen in time, trapped by fear, rejection, abandonment, and an uncertainty about its place in the world. This younger version relates to a time when you did not feel heard, valued, or seen. A time when you were not acknowledged. Try now to really connect with this child. Spend some time listening with your heart. Heart listening is where you go beyond just listening with your ears, and you listen with your whole being. See if you can hear what your child is trying to say, because it longs to be heard. If you have listened keenly, your child will have tried to speak to you. But you may have only heard a faint calling, and so the message was not clear. This is not unusual, because somewhere along the line, trust has been broken, and it needs now to be repaired. So, speak now, tenderly and softly to your child. Imagine the following words are emerging out of your own mind and heart. I now understand the reason you have been stuck. When you were trying to fit in, looking for love, wanting to belong, no one heard the truth of your heart. And the harder you tried, the less you were seen, the less you were heard. And with that came feelings of sadness and futility. This hurt your heart. And as a result, you shut down, because the world did not feel like a safe place. Since then, you've been frozen in time. At some point, you gave up trying because your best efforts never felt enough. But I am your future, and I've come to tell you, you make it. And even though your needs were not sufficiently met, you found a way through. You are much stronger than you know. You're more beautiful than you ever imagined. and the future needs you. I need you to join me, because together we are a greater force. So please, let go of the disappointments, sadness, and hurt, and take my hand and walk into the future with me. Having spoken to your child from the heart, inviting them to be in the present with you, you can now see in your mind's eye an image of the child emerging in your torso, surrounded by the beautiful turquoise light. A hologram fused together by the light of the heart and the light around the stomach. The light around both the heart and the stomach is swirling, gently caressing and embracing the child. This creates feelings of peace of mind and joy. It's such a powerful scene. Hold this in your mind for a little while. In this dance of light, you and the child have become one. You are no longer divided. You breathe in as one being and exhale as one being. It's such a beautiful feeling to see and feel this integration. Your whole body is beaming with light. This hypnotic turquoise light is calming your central nervous system, your primary organs, and the other systems of the body are all resonating as one. And you enjoy this wonderful feeling of inner harmony. You are whole and complete. Your child is no longer wounded and negatively impacted by the past, mixed messages, and trauma. You and your child can move together as one, having created a sacred bond. Every time you visualize the child inside you, with this beautiful light filling your whole being, that bond deepens, creating a sense of greater safety, support, and strength. You promise now, as you move into the rest of your life, to carry this story of integration with you. This is how you champion your inner child. This is how you fix your deep-seated problems. Pledge today to be an advocate for this child every day, ensuring it is always seen, always valued, always heard.